real estate game, it is go, go, go. People judge your ability to market and brand yourself online as your ability to market and brand their home.
We have over 150,000 agents in over 65 countries. At Keller Williams, we pride ourselves in the investment that we make into our people.
Let's talk about life before Canva.
There wasn't one tool that can do it all.
Our agents were sourcing external agency resources. Canva allowed us to level up.
Once we got the MLS integration, my heart went pitter-patter. I mean, you can just type in the address or type in the MLS number and it pops up. Oh my gosh, I can make templates in 5 seconds.
Agents used to block out the entire day just to do their marketing. Now they're making it in 5, 10, 15 minutes.
Approximately 300,000 hours of saved time. 300,000 hours spent building relationships, building the pipeline, because they don't have to pretend to be designers anymore.
We had a 62% increase year over year in sales volume through using Canva.
Real estate is all about the human interaction, and Canva AI is helpful because it helps them cater it to their clients. Right here, I'm just gonna click code. I will put in the prompt. And this is really great because if we have someone moving into the city, we can actually show them what there is to do around here.
That's incredible.
We're not going to stop until we have it in the hands of every one of our agents because we know the power that it can bring.
I think that's how we wrap up the entire case study.